Hello friends, welcome to this channel and I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn the accounting number format in MS Excel. Okay, this subject is very interesting. If you want to use in your Excel work, this function will be very useful to all of you. Okay, what is the name of function? Accounting number formation. Okay, accounting number format. Okay, let's start then. I have opened a MS Excel blank sheet to show you the use of accounting number format. You can see at my screen. Okay. So, suppose I am writing a number like this. Okay. I wrote 1786. Okay. Click the cursor on the written numeric word, numeric. Okay. To use the accounting number format, you need to go to home. Click on home. Here you can see this sign, accounting number format. Format as dollars, euros and other currency you can use from here. Okay. Click on it. For sample, here is the some option given by the MS Excel. First is English India rupees. Okay. Then United States dollar. Then United Kingdom yani UK pound. Euro in Europe, Chinese yen, CHF Switzerland. You can also find more currencies by clicking more accounting formats here. Here you can see MS Excel has given us a option accounting. Okay, and also a symbol tab is given by the MS Excel. Okay, here are the so many currencies. Okay, you can see Dutch, Ossetian, Thai, Konkani, French, Wolof, blah blah blah. Okay, whatever you want to use, you can select from this drop down. Okay, suppose I want to convert this numeric into dollar. Okay, go again to accounting number format. Here you need to select English. Yeah, you can see at my screen that a dollar sign is automatically fixed in front of the numeric figure. Okay, if you want to change it, suppose you want to choose yen, Chinese, click on it. You can see a yen symbol is reflected in screen. Suppose you want to use rupees, Indian rupees, you need to select India. Got it? And click on more accounting formats. Here is the drop down. Suppose Russian, you want to select Russian. From here you can select the Russian and press OK. Yeah, you can see the figure sign is changed now. Okay, so I hope that today you learn that how to fix a rupees sign as per your requirement in MS Excel. Okay. Okay, if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel, and I also want to request all of you, then please like, share and comment also. I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Thank you guys. Till that time, bye bye.